Oh, let's see.
Wait.
What?
Shh. Listen. Wait. He knows you're awake.
What do you think?
Good.
What about you, Nora?
The better you're trying to wait up and catch him.
Nora, where are you going?
Daddy.
Where? Okay, you guys gonna get some rest now? Yeah, you're gonna get some rest? What's up with Goo Goo Gaga? What's Goo Goo Gaga?
I made it up.
Alright. Good night.
I can't wait to see what Santa brings.
I know.
It's
Did
gonna
you-
be stuffed again.
It's gonna be stuffed again. Did you hear him out there before?
The first time we did.
The first time you did?
Yeah.
Okay. Where do you think he was?
Canada.
What? Canada?
No, China.
You could hear his bells all the way from China, you think?
No. I think he is
What?
crossing above.
Are you kidding me?
Why does it always snow? Can you hear anything?
I thought I heard him again.
Cuckoo got a Santa.
Hmm.
I'm not
Alright.
leaving my bed. Whoa!
You're not leaving your bed?
Not until I wake up.
Alright.
You know what I'm gonna do the first thing I wake up? Go straight down to that Christmas tree.
Yeah? Alright, good night, guys.
No, we're gonna start singing jingle bells. Like this. Like that, okay? No.